We're talking heat distribution, non-stick performance, durability, and whether those premium price tags are actually worth your hard-earned cash. By the end of this video, you won't just know which cookware set to buy, you'll know how to finally stop replacing pans every 2 years. Let's get cooking. Starting at number 1. T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. The T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set consists of 17 essential pieces that cater to all your cooking needs, making it perfect for both novice cooks and culinary enthusiasts. This nonstick pots and pans set includes various sizes of fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and a griddle, providing versatility for frying, boiling, sautéing, and more. Each piece is constructed with hard anodized aluminum, which offers superior durability and resistance to warping, ensuring long-lasting performance. The non-stick surface allows for easy food release and simplified cleanup after cooking, promoting a healthier cooking experience with less oil needed. The set is designed to be dishwasher safe, making maintenance easy and convenient. Additionally, it features ergonomic handles which are riveted for safety and a secure grip. The sleek black finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen aesthetics. Number 2. GOURMETIFIC Pots and Pans Cookware Set. GOURMETIFIC Pots and Pans Cookware Set includes 11 essential pieces designed for versatile cooking needs. The cookware features a non-toxic ceramic coating that ensures a healthy cooking experience without harmful chemicals. This set is compatible with induction, gas, and oven use, making it suitable for all types of cooking surfaces. Each pot and pan boasts a non-stick surface that simplifies food release and cleanup, enhancing your cooking experience. Additionally, the ergonomic removable handles allow for easy storage and stacking, maximizing your kitchen space. The elegant cream finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. This comprehensive cookware set is perfect for home chefs looking for high-quality and versatile kitchenware. Number 3. Cuisinart 12-Piece MultiClad Pro Triple Ply Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Cuisinart 12-Piece MultiClad Pro Triple Ply Stainless Steel Cookware Set is a comprehensive collection designed for both amateur and professional chefs. This set includes essential cookware pieces made from high-quality stainless steel with a triple-ply construction that ensures even heat distribution. Key features of this cookware set include Heat Surround technology. This unique design allows for consistent heating across the base and sides of the cookware, preventing hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals. The handles are designed to stay cool during use, allowing for safe and comfortable handling. They are riveted for added strength and durability. Oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for a variety of cooking methods. This cookware can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, making it perfect for recipes that require both cooking techniques. Number 4. Hell's Kitchen Hybrid 5-Piece Cookware Set. Hell's Kitchen Hybrid 5-Piece Cookware Set is a high-quality kitchen essential designed for both functionality and safety. It features triclad construction, which typically refers to a sandwich of materials for improved heat distribution and durability, ensuring your culinary creations are cooked evenly. This cookware set combines stainless steel and non-stick ceramic surfaces, providing the benefits of both materials. The stainless steel exterior offers durability and a stylish appearance, while the non-stick ceramic interior allows for easy food release and effortless cleanup. Plus, it's PFAS-free, meaning it does not contain harmful chemicals that might leach into food during cooking. There are no PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid, or PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, chemicals or Teflon coatings used in this set, making it a non-toxic choice for health-conscious cooks. Number 5. Ninja Ceramic Pro 14-Piece Cookware Set. The Ninja Ceramic Pro 14-Piece Cookware Set is a versatile and high-quality kitchen essential designed for both novice and experienced cooks. This set includes a variety of non-stick pots and pans, each crafted with a ceramic coating that ensures food releases easily and minimizes the need for excess oil or fats. The cookware is built to be non-toxic and is PTFE-free, meaning it does not contain harmful chemicals often found in traditional non-stick coatings. The ceramic surface is not only safe but also durable, allowing for long-lasting performance. Additionally, the set comes with glass lids that let you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, preserving moisture and flavor. The cookware is safe for oven use, enabling you to transition from stovetop to oven with ease. So there you have it, the ultimate lineup of cookware sets available for purchase right now in 2026. Whether you're going for the hybrid durability of Hexclad, the non-toxic beauty of Caraway, the unbeatable value of Tramontina, or the lifetime investment of All-Clad, the right pans transform everything you make.